Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. So today we are building something for 4th of July. It's a couple weeks away, but we gotta get ready. If you guys seen last video, we did something like that. You may ask, what in the world are we doing? Well, we're building something. You may ask, well, it looks simple. It is simple, but we gotta get tape measure. I forgot about it. Alright, so what we're doing is we're going to space this evenly to this. That way we're going to get the base ready. Then we'll show you guys what we're actually doing. Alright, so the base is done. You don't have to have it very sturdy or very screwed down. But this is what we're starting with. As you guys seen in the bottom of the video, there's something that goes on here. So, we got these. You may ask, what in the world are you doing with these? Well, I don't know about you guys. I like fireworks. What I like about more is these dang things. These dang things are awesome. But they're a little slow to reload. So, you get a bunch of them in the line in a loop. It goes boom, 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 boom. Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. So, we're going to get this set up. I'll let you guys see. We got more of these. We just got to go get them. So, you guys stay tuned. Alright, so we got all of our things that we have so far. We planned to get more. But this is what we got so far. Slowly adding up. It's first week of July. Or first week of June. It's first week of June. Second week of June now. But we got 4 cases of these things, so we're going to pull them out, get our tubes out, and we'll put them back together. Alright, so this is what we got so far. We got 7. We got room for 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So we'll have a total of 10 shots all at once. It's going to go boom, 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 boom. So, how you connect these, I'm not quite sure, but we're going to try to figure it out real quick. So we're going to open one of these up, get them preloaded, and then we'll show you guys what we do. Alright, so theoretically you'd be shooting a case of these off pretty close to all at once. So, it gets a little expensive. So, we're going to show you guys how we're going to tie these together, because obviously, oh look, you can't tie them together. Yes you can. Just stay tuned, give me a minute, I'll show you guys. Right, so in theory, you light this. It's gonna go down here until it gets to here, then it's gonna light both of them, or light this second one, and this one's gonna shoot off first, this one's shoot off second, so and so far. You may be, oh, that's stretching it. No, it's not. Because once it burns through there and passes this little spot right here, this is going to drop back down. Then it's going to go right here, burn, drop, burn, through there, drop. Because theoretically, it's only right here, this high. So, it's going to drop that much. So, you could do... So what my plan was, we're going to do this way, go this way, then go back this way. So you light one and you back away for 10 shots all at once. Once you get the 10 shots, then you can come back, redo it. It does take time to, because all you do is strip some copper wiring, take copper wiring, wrap it around. Copper wire, wrap it around. Copper wire, wrap it around. So, with that being said, we're going to finish tying these together. We'll catch you guys then. Once you get them all, this is all 10 all at once. Once you get them lined up, that's what it's going to look like. Looks like a disaster, but I'll show you guys what it looks like once they're all in here. It's not that bad. It's a little pain. Right now, pretend that there's one here, one here, one here. So this one would go there. This one would go there, but you guys see it. You guys see it. All you do is light one, it's gonna go boom, 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 boom. Then you reload. It took me 20 minutes to wire up them 10. What? Not really. It took me about 5 minutes to wire up them 10. So a little bit pre 4th of July, start wiring up your mortars together. Then once you do that, your kids are going to have a blast, and you're going to actually be able to stand back and enjoy it. Because you guys know the deal. If you're the one that's lightning the mortars, you don't really see them very often. You're underneath and you're trying or running away. You know, you guys know the deal. If you guys light them. Now you can light them and watch at least 9 go off before you have to reload. And once you reload, if you do that multiple times, see, I can do that 3 more, so I'll have 4 shots all at once. Well, not all at once, but you guys know what I mean. 4 going off at 10 times at a time. So I'll at least see 35 at least. So that being said, we're gonna finish these up, and hopefully we can show you guys how we do it. Maybe one day we'll set off 10 at a time and show you guys how to do it. So you guys stay tuned. So I got these 10 done, put them back in the thing, and then it literally just folds down, and you just put it right back in there, just like nothing ever happened. Everything will go right in. Everything goes right in. Then you can store it a little easier without having, now you can store it without having all them wires showing, and your kid don't come over here and light one while it's in the garage, and well, there goes 10 shots all at once. So we're gonna get to these 3 other ones, and then we'll catch you guys then. All right guys, so it's dark. I ain't got a hat on. You guys stay tuned, because we're testing out our mortar launcher. So you guys remember, we got doing, you know, we're testing out 2 right now. So we're gonna see if these 2 will actually go off. Are you ready? Okay, let's see if this will actually go off like I want it to. Okay, not quite as, all right, so it works. All right, so, hold on, my bald spots are showing. All right, so it works. So we're gonna go finish. We got 1 more whole 10 pack to finish up. So you guys stay tuned until tomorrow and enjoy our beautiful 10-shot mortar goer offer thing. Yeah, so you guys stay tuned.
Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July.
All right, so we are walking to go set off fireworks. I got a lovely assistant right there, Turd Nugget, and Mr. Turd Nugget. So we're gonna set off fireworks. You guys will see them, and I'm gonna show you guys us lighting them. That way, you know, I don't know, figure something out. This light is blinding me. Chris, is it blinding you? Chris, is it blinding you?
Yes, it is.
Is it blinding you? Alright, so the reason why we're going way down the driveway, because, yeah, cows. Gotta think about the cows. Can't be cow tipping them today.
I tried that one.
So, you gotta stay tuned. So that is the 10 shot, light one, 10, 10, 10.
Holy crap.
Then we got a honeybee. Then we got them
Them
things.
whistles. Pretty
Yeah.
cool.
So should we do a set of 10 whistles, another set,
Yeah, how many sets of those you have?
6?
6 sets of 10?
Yeah.
Jesus. Yeah, let's do them first.
You have a lighter?
Got it. We only need one light.
Yeah, that light's junk. Oh, hey, quit it.
Let's try to get some gravel on my sheet before I ran. These are loud, Logan.
Here we go. 3, 2. It worked just like I thought it was going to. Pretty cool just thinking of it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna do
We did a lot of them.
now we're gonna do these little things. I don't know which way they're facing, so oh, nothing good. Alright, you gotta stay tuned. Alright. There we go. Hopefully it takes off. Nope, it didn't take off. Got a single. There we go. Oh, nope, that one still didn't take off. We got 2 that didn't take off. Ooh. There we go. They're working like we should be. Alright, really tough. Let's figure this out. I think it twisted. Nope. It won't light. Come on, lighter. Work with me. Only got one. Got a oneer. There we go. We got a 3-pack now.
Last 3.
Last 3. All right, now we can get to ride the four-wheeler down.
Trampoline. Yeah. Oh, girl.